In Islam, certain actions and behaviors are considered haram, or forbidden, for both men and women, while some specifically apply to women. Below are some haram things for women in Islam, with references from the Qur'an and Hadith. 1. Not observing proper hijab. Women are required to dress modestly and cover themselves appropriately, as mentioned in the Qur'an, chapter 24, verse 31, and tell the believing women to lower their gaze and guard their chastity, and not to reveal their adornments except what normally appears. And also in Qur'an, chapter 33, verse 59, O Prophet, tell your wives, your daughters, and the women of the believers to draw their cloaks over themselves. 2. Imitating men in dress and behavior. Women are forbidden from imitating men in dress and appearance. According to Hadith, Sunan Abu Dawud, 4098, and Tirmidhi, 2784. The Prophet, peace be upon him, cursed men who imitate women and women who imitate men. 3. Wearing perfume in public. A woman should not wear strong perfume that attracts men in public. As stated in Hadith, Abu Dawud, 4173, and Tirmidhi, 2786. Any woman who applies perfume and then passes by people so they can smell her fragrance is an adulteress. 4. Unnecessary interaction with non-mahram, men who are not closely related, is discouraged. As mentioned in the Qur'an, chapter 33, verse 53, and when you ask his wives for anything, ask them from behind a partition. That is purer for your hearts and their hearts. Additionally, a hadith reported in Bukhari and Muslim states, it is better for a man to be pricked in the head with an iron needle than to touch a woman who is not permissible for him. 5. A woman should not travel alone for long distances without a mahram, a male guardian. The hadith found in Bukhari and Muslim clearly advises, a woman should not travel except with a mahram. 6. Gossip and spreading false rumors are prohibited for everyone, but are particularly warned against in women. The Qur'an, chapter 49, verse 12, advises, and do not spy or backbite each other. Would one of you like to eat the flesh of his dead brother? Furthermore, a hadith in Tirmidhi warns, the worst people in the sight of Allah on the day of judgment will be those whom people avoid because of their evil tongue. 7. Tattooing, plucking eyebrows, and changing the creation of Allah. Altering physical appearance unnecessarily is forbidden. As mentioned in Hadith, Bukhari 5931 and Muslim 2125, Allah has cursed those women who practice tattooing, those who get themselves tattooed, those who remove their facial hair, and those who create spaces between their teeth for beauty, changing the creation of Allah. 8. Disobeying the husband in permissible matters. A wife is required to obey her husband in lawful matters. According to Hadith, Tirmidhi 1161 and Ibn Majah 1853, if a woman prays her 5 daily prayers, fasts her month, guards her chastity, and obeys her husband, she will enter paradise. 9. Rejecting marriage proposals for no valid reason. Women should not reject marriage proposals based on trivial reasons. The Hadith, Ibn Majah 1845 and Tirmidhi 1084 states, when someone with good religion and character proposes to your daughter, then marry her off, otherwise there will be corruption on earth. 10. Celebrating non-Islamic festivals. Participating in non-Islamic religious celebrations is not allowed. As per Hadith, Abu Dawud 1134 and Ahmad 5114, whoever imitates a people is one of them.